All right, so again, this is for those of you who may need extra help or something to reference back to when you're completing your on your own problems. But we're going to do these together in the live video or the live session of teaching. So our first question, if we look here in our box, it says identify the base and the exponent in the given expression. Now, if you're someone who can't remember what base is, go back to our notes on slide 5 where we identified our base and our exponent. So if we're looking here, it says identify the base and the exponent in the given expression. So our base of 6 to the third, if we're looking here, our base is going to be our 6. Okay, so in my base box, I'm going to put a 6. Remember, your exponent is your tiny number that is up in the corner of the big number, so your base. So then you would say your exponent is that little number, which is a 3. Okay, that was simple, that was easy, and good job. Identify the expanded form. So remember now, expanded form is when you're taking that exponential form and you're stretching it out. You're taking whatever that base is and multiplying it by itself as many times as the exponent tells you. And remember, your exponent is that little number. So that's a 3 if I notice that. So my base is the number that I'm using. That's the big number. That's the number that I'm going to be using in my expanded form. So I'm using the number 5 here. So with me using that number 5, I have to multiply 5 3 times. So I have to do 5 times 5 times 5. And that's the expanded form. We will never do 5 times 3. Do not do that. That is not going to give you the right answer and you will get it incorrect. So please, please, please remember, expanded form means to be writing it out at how many times you're repeatedly multiplying your base by itself. Okay, so that would be 5 times 5 times 5 for this question. Our last question that we're going to review before you guys are going to be completing questions on your own, you are going to write the exponential form of 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. The exponential form is literally putting your base and then your exponent. So your base is the number you use. So looking here, what number did we use? We used 4. So I'm going to put my 4. And then it's asking for it as an exponential form, so we need to put our exponent, because remember that word exponent is in there, so we need to make sure that we use the word exponent, okay? Or I'm sorry, we need to make sure we use an exponent. So your exponent is just simply asking you how many times you multiplied 4 by itself. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you are going to put a 5, and that's simple as that, okay? So use this as a reference for you are completing your on your own questions. If you do have any questions, you can email me or contact me either way, and I will be glad to help you.